Want to earn a steady income from your investments without the headache of managing properties or the risk of volatile assets like stocks or crypto? Check out these 4 powerful SPYI, an S&P 500 high-income ETF. Think of it as your reliable tenant that pays you dividends consistently, whether you're investing $1,000 or $75,000. This ETF can help you earn $8,000 to $12,000 annually. QQQIA, NASDAQ Income ETF. This one's a hidden gem for those who want to quietly build wealth. BTCI, a Bitcoin Income ETF. Yes, you heard that right. Bitcoin with a twist. It's priced around $59 and offers exposure to crypto without the wild swings. And finally, ESC, a short-term U.S. Treasury bond ETF. This one's perfect for parking cash you don't want to lock up for the long term. These 4 ETFs, SPYI, QQQI, BTCI, and SGOVR, your secret weapon to earning like a landlord without the hassle. Don't sell them. Just keep adding to your position and watch your wealth grow.